So today I'm making my side dishes for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Anyway, this is Linda and welcome to another time. I thought today I'd do a different video and show you how I make my cornbread. I am using one 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened already in the bowl. And then I'm using this Krusteaz honey cornbread and muffin mix. So I'm going to be putting that into the bowl, adding the whole package. And I will be stirring in a 2/3 of a cup of milk and 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil or butter. And I'm going to use avocado oil. So I'm using 1/3 of a cup of avocado oil and 2/3 cup of milk. Okay, and then it requires 1 egg. Okay, so I switched to a whisk, and there's going to be some clumps in it. That's okay. I don't want to beat it too much because it'll change the texture of the cornbread, and we like this texture. So let me just spray my pan. I'm just using some extra virgin olive oil spray. And then I'm going to pour this in here. And I'm going to be baking at 375, following the instructions on the box, and it's just 375 for 27 minutes. So the cornbread is done and turned out nice and golden brown. Covered it with a thin layer of butter, and this will cool. And sorry, I'm not going to cut it open because it's for Thanksgiving. So anyway, go ahead and try it yourself. So now I'm going to make chess pie. And I just added 3 cups of white granulated sugar to a bowl. I'm adding 8 eggs. Okay. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of melted butter. Okay, so I just added the butter. Just mixed up really good. So now I'm going to add 1/2 of a cup of cornmeal. Okay, I just added 1/2 of a cup of cornmeal. I'm going to add roughly a tablespoon of white vinegar. Okay, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 1/2 a cup of milk. And then I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. I just get this mixed up. It smells really good, that vanilla. There's one. There's 2. Okay, and that's all there is to it. So now I'm going to mix this up. You can add nutmeg, or you can substitute the vinegar for lemon if you want lemon chess pie. Or you can add chocolate to it and nuts. There's many different ways you can utilize this recipe. I'm going to pour half of it in 2 ready-made pie crusts. I just bought frozen deep dish pie crusts. You can make your own if you choose. They'll be baked at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. Make sure you check the pie after 30 minutes. If the crust is starting to turn brown too fast, then cover it with aluminum foil and just keep it checked. So I'm putting the pies in the oven at this time. I'm sorry I didn't get it recorded when it came out of the oven, but it was so good. And I hope you really give this a try. It's delicious.